Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sticky English with John and Mateo. I'm John, your English teacher.
And I'm Mateo, your English student. Hello, everyone.
Today's episode is very useful. It's about traveling and making a hotel check-in.
Oh, nice. I love traveling, but check-in in English can be hard.
Don't worry. Today we'll make it easy. We'll practice greetings, numbers, days, objects, food and drinks, and daily activities, all inside a travel situation.
Sounds fun. Let's go.
When you arrive at a hotel, the first thing you do is greet the person at the front desk.
Yes, you say hello or good morning, right?
Exactly. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon.
Perfect. Now let's make a short conversation. Good afternoon. Welcome to the City Hotel.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation.
Nice. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Mateo Lopez.
Thank you, Mr. Lopez.
You're welcome.
Perfect. That's a polite check-in greeting. Now, listeners, repeat after us. Good afternoon. I have a reservation. My name is... Thank you.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation. My name is Mateo Lopez. Thank you.
Excellent. Now, at check-in, you often need to say or understand numbers, like room numbers or dates.
Yes, like room 305 or check out at 10 o'clock.
Exactly. Let's review the numbers 1 to 10. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. Now let's go to 20, 30, 40, 50.
20, 30, 40, 50.
Perfect. Now let's use them in sentences. Your room number is 305.
Room 305.
Checkout is at 10 o'clock.
Check out at 10 o'clock.
Nice. Now everyone, repeat after me. My room number is 305. Checkout is at 10 o'clock.
My room number is 305. Check out at 10 o'clock.
Perfect pronunciation. Now let's practice one more. Prices. Repeat. $100. $250. It's $55 per night.
$100. $250. It's $55 per night.
Nice. Now, when you travel, you often talk about days, check-in day, check-out day, tours, and so on.
Right, like I'll arrive on Monday and leave on Friday.
Exactly. Let's practice the days. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great. Now let's use them in travel sentences. I will arrive on Monday.
I will leave on Friday.
I want to book a room for 3 nights.
From Monday to Thursday.
Good. Now everyone, repeat after us. I arrive on Monday. I leave on Friday. I book a room for 3 nights.
I arrive on Monday. I leave on Friday. I book a room for 3 nights.
Perfect. When you travel, you use many objects. Let's practice some useful ones for the hotel.
Like passport, key, or luggage.
Exactly. Repeat after me. Passport, suitcase, luggage, room key, credit card, phone charger.
Passport, suitcase, luggage, room key, credit card, phone charger.
Nice. Now let's use them in short sentences. I have my passport.
My luggage is heavy.
Here is your room key.
Can I pay by credit card?
Perfect. Now repeat, everyone. Where is my suitcase? Here is your room key. I can pay by credit card.
Where is my suitcase? Here is your room key. I can pay by credit card.
Excellent. Now, Mateo, when you stay at a hotel, do you like to eat at the restaurant?
Of course. I love breakfast at hotels.
Me too. Let's practice food and drink vocabulary. Repeat after me. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, coffee, tea, juice, water, bread, eggs, rice, salad.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, coffee, tea, juice, water, bread, eggs, rice, salad.
Great. Now let's practice short travel phrases. Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Can I have coffee and bread, please?
Sure. Do you want juice or tea?
Juice, please.
Perfect. Now everyone, repeat after us. Breakfast is from 7 to 10. Can I have coffee and bread, please? Juice, please.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10. Can I have coffee and bread, please? Juice, please.
Excellent. Now let's talk about what people do every day when they are traveling.
Like waking up, taking a shower, or going to the beach.
Exactly. Repeat after me. Wake up. Take a shower. Have breakfast. Go sightseeing. Take photos. Eat dinner. Go to sleep.
Wake up, take a shower, have breakfast, go sightseeing, take photos, eat dinner, go to sleep.
Nice travel routine. Now everyone repeat after us. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I go sightseeing. I take photos. I go to sleep.
I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I go sightseeing. I take photos. I go to sleep.
Good job. Now, Mateo, let's put everything together. Let's do a full hotel check-in conversation.
Okay, I'm ready.
John, receptionist. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Ocean View Hotel.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation.
Perfect. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Mateo Lopez.
Thank you, Mr. Lopez. You are staying for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, from Monday to Thursday.
Excellent. Your room number is 214.
Room 214. Thank you.
Checkout is at 10 o'clock.
Okay, 10 o'clock.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the restaurant.
Nice. I love breakfast.
Here is your room key.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. That's it. That's a complete check-in in English.
It's not difficult when we practice slowly.
Exactly. And polite phrases make it sound nice and friendly. Now let's review what we learned today.
We started with greetings. Hello. Good morning. Good evening.
Then we learned numbers for rooms, time, and prices.
We practiced days of the week for travel dates.
We talked about objects, passport, luggage, credit card, room key.
Then we studied food and drinks, breakfast, coffee, juice, dinner.
And finally, daily activities. Wake up, go sightseeing, take photos, go to sleep.
And we used it all in a hotel check-in.
Exactly. Now, listeners, repeat after us one last time. Good afternoon. I have a reservation. My room number is 214. Breakfast is from 7 to 10. Checkout is at 10 o'clock. Thank you. Have a good day.
Good afternoon. I have a reservation. My room number is 214. Breakfast is from 7 to 10. Checkout at 10 o'clock. Thank you.
Excellent. Now I can check into a hotel in English.
Yes, you're ready to travel the world.
Thanks, John. That was really fun.
Thanks, Mateo, and thank you, listeners, for learning with us today.
See you next time on Sticky English with John and Mateo.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.